The next stage of the IQA observation is stage 5, the post-observation feedback. So this is where you, the qualified IQA, will provide your assessor with the overall results of the observation, okay? So in terms of this environment, of course, it's within a private classroom, training room, okay? And it's one-to-one between you, the candidate IQA, and the assessor as well. In terms of providing feedback following on from the observation, it is best practice to let the assessor know straight away whether they passed or if it's a reassessment, a re-observation, okay? And that is key to make sure that the assessor is at ease, okay? We don't want to worry the assessor without them knowing their overall result there. So let them know, yes, very well done, it's a pass, or I'm sorry, you haven't passed on this attempt. We'll look to book in a reassessment in a month or so, and we'll go through your feedback now. Okay, so very important we do that there. In terms of the key points, okay, avoid asking the assessor, what did you think about the assessment, okay? So you need to give your feedback here, so be objective. You are going to explain what you saw from the observation, okay? So look at the key points, okay? Keep objective and perhaps follow the criteria or standards or staff handbook, and that's going to ensure that you're giving some crystal clear feedback on what you saw as well. So be specific, okay? Be factual about what you saw, and you should also be constructive as well. So your role as an IQA is to be a motivator, of course, and to be someone who is constructive, to say, what did they do well, okay? So do use praise, okay? You might have to work with your assessors day to day, so it's very important that you keep a positive relationship with them. So of course, be constructive, and also give some suggestions for further targets as well. So this could be wider reading, of course, but it could also be some practical targets as well. So perhaps could the assessor come and observe you, for example, so they can see how you demonstrate your role as an assessor or teacher by example. At the end of the observation, please make sure that you and the assessor do sign and date your paperwork as well, and just remember to store your paperwork within your own internal system. Very important you do that as well. That demonstrates that the observation's taken place. You might need to write up your notes, okay, and scan these to the assessor for their own CPD records, and also provide a feedback on when you are going to send out perhaps any emails to the assessor. So be crystal clear on the next step, and if they do need to do anything following the observation as well. Please take your time with this stage. So 20 minutes is probably about right for a debrief with an assessor or trainer. Okay, and please do make sure that if an assessor does ask any questions, that you do have a positive answer for them. If you don't know the answer to their questions, perhaps just say, okay, I don't know the answer to that question right now, but I'll find out for you and get back to them in a timely manner as well. But as we said, the rough time is 20 minutes. However, do take longer if you wish.